Up guys, your boy Maxi. Today we're gonna fix one car dent. Do you guys see that one? It's very serious, this one. So today we're gonna use which one? Hair dryer. Very easy. So we just try to use hair dryer. Oh. So we just try to use hair dryer. Oh. Just make it a little bit hotter, you know. Yeah, see, right now it's finished. The secret is this one. When you use a hair dryer, use your stick inside, try to push that one, push it. I'm sorry I didn't catch that one. My fault, man. Alright, because my camera had problem. Alright, see you guys next time. If you enjoy, please subscribe my channel. Alright, see you guys. See, right now, it's better.